How much further?
Not far, see. In the cave.
Amelia, stop! It's a trap. He leads the circle.
Canyon Cave?
You have followed me for too many years, old one. We settled this here, you and I, like men.
Not today, Beaumont. I brought the cavalry.
Thank you.
Thank the Indian. He tracked you for many miles across rough ground.
How did you know about Beaumont?
We will talk later, when there is time. Drive Beaumont from the mines. I will go get help from the local native villages. I need to get help from the native villages.
We should search for Beaumont while Canyon K's outside looking for help.
I'm ready. I'm going now. Right. I'll do it.
You are persistent, no?
Right.
I don't
Attack!
That's what you stumbled onto here. But
Yes.
no matter.
To battle! What is your command? I'm ready.
I'll do it.
What is your attack?
I'm going right. I'll do it. Right.
Yes. To battle! What is your command? Attack! I'm ready. To battle! What is your command?
Can you help us?
The men in the mines have scared off the herds. Bring us food, and I will give you warriors to help you fight infantry.
I'm ready.
Beaumont has run further into the mines. Let's go after him.
Yes. Attack! I'm ready.
Thank you for freeing me.
I'm going now.
But there are more prisoners in
Right.
these mines.
What is your to battle?
Help replenish our food supply, and I will give you warriors to help you fight cavalry.
Get that wagon to Canyon Cave. He can use the food to recruit help.
He won.
Tribe is starving. Give us food, and I will send medicine men with you to aid your wounded.
Amelia has sent food. I must get a wagon to one of the native villages.
Yes. I'm going now.
This food will help us until the herds return. Use our hunters to help fight the men in the mines.
What? I'll do it. To battle! Right. To battle! Yes. Attack! To battle! What is your command? I'll do it. I'm going now. You could equip a small army with all of these weapons. Attack! You should destroy them. Yes. What is your command? Yes. To battle! What is your attack? To battle!
Commandement? I mener så.
Una hoten. Ike.
Ready.
Tabiz. Butka.
He'en.
Zade. Tabiz. Zade.
Una hoten. Curry Winthos.
White animals! Look out!
Curry Winthos. Kato rats.
Tabiz. Zade.
Una hoten. Curry Winthos. Ike. Kato rats. Yekatentias. Ike. Kato rats. Una hot Yekatentias. Ike.
Heil? Yes.
Curry Winthos. Una hot en Kato. Curry Winthos. Kato rats. Curry Winthos. Another wagon from Amelia.
Food at last. Our hunters are at your command.
Tegis. Kratawa.
Kato rats. Una hot. Curry Winthos. Una hot en Yekatentias. Ike. Una hot en Yekatentias. Una hot en Kato. Ike. Kato rats.
Commander man. Wolf.
What can I write? I'll do it. I'm going now.
Una hot en Yekatentias. Ike. Yekatentias. Ike. He'en. Una hot en Yekatentias. Ike. Yekatentias. Curry Winthos. Ike. Ike, Kato Rat.
Yes. Igual.
Jekatentias.
Heil. Ich meine so. Recht.
I need to get that wagon to one of the native villages. Ike.
Ready.
Thank you, stranger. Take these warriors.
Zade. Tabiz.
Jekatentias. Ike. Jekatentias. Kuriwenthos. Ike. Kato Rat.
Zade. Utska.
Jekatentias. Kato Rat. Kuriwenthos. Kato Rat. Unahotin.
I'm ready. Right.
Ike. Kuriwenthos. Kato Rat. Kuriwenthos. Kato Rat.
Tabiz.
I'm ready. I'll do it. I'm going now.
Heil. Igual.
Unahotin. Jekatentias. Another wagon has come out of the mines. Kato Rats.
Ready. Yes.
Take these men and drive away the soldiers.
Recht.
Tansi. Kakote.
Ike. Jekatentias. Ike.
Kikwe. Onisi.
Kaka.
Unahotin. Jekatentias. Kato Rats.
Stay sharp, men. Beaumont is a cunning foe.
That takes care of all of the Boneguard's weapons caches.
Unahot Ike. Kuriwenthos.
Kaka.
Unahot
Tansi. Zade. Tabiz.
Jekatentias. Kato Rats. Ike. Kuriwenthos. Jekatentias. Kato Rats.
Commandment. Yes.
Kuriwenthos. Ike. Kato Rats.
We're saved.
Ready.
These warriors will help you fight.
Zade. Za. Utska.
Ike. Yekatentias. Ike. Curry. Gato rats. Yekatentias. Curry. Gato rats. Curry Winthos.
I'll do it.
Commandment.
Gato rats.
I'm ready. Going now.
It looks like Beaumont has fled. But look at this.
Grandniece, it has been a long time.
Yes. 5 years since my father's funeral. Why are you here?
I have been on Beaumont's trail for months. He and the Circle of Ossus believe you know where to find the Lake of the Moon.
That old story again? Did you forget what year this is?
The Circle is all too real. Your grandfather John learned that before he died. Beaumont is their leader now.
The Circle won't find anything.
Escaped!
You see? Beaumont will go to Florida and extract from the Seminoles what he could not learn from you. And even if the lake is a myth, there is lost Spanish gold in the swamps.
Then that's where we're going.